Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a highly requested Turbo Stacking's step-by-step guide to onboarding new silver bullion. Buying silver is exciting, but what you do after it arrives is just as important. Over the years, I've perfected my process, and I'm here to share it all, from unboxing to inventorying and beyond. We'll cover testing for authenticity, documenting your pieces, protecting your investment, and even tips for growing your collection. Stick around because I've packed this video with practical tips, personal stories, and even a question and answer at the end. Want to join in? Drop a comment below. What's your favorite silver piece in your collection? A classic silver eagle? A shiny bar? Or something unique? I can't wait to hear. Let's get started with step 1, unboxing and testing your silver bullion. I am Turbo, and this is Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. Let's roll. All right, here we go. Unboxing and testing. When that package arrives, it's tempting to tear into it, but I take it slow to do it right. First, I grab my cotton gloves. Silver's soft, and oils from your hands can leave marks or cause tarnish over time. With gloves on, I carefully unbox it. I keep the packaging because sometimes it adds value, especially for limited editions. Now, testing is where it gets serious. Counterfeits are out there, so I verify every piece. First up, I weigh it. A 1 ounce silver eagle should be 31.1035 grams. The same holds true for silver rounds at a minimum. I use a scale with precision to the 100th, which is 2 decimals. Anything off by more than a tiny bit is a red flag. Older coins might vary slightly, but not much. Then I measure it. Silver eagle's diameter is 40.6 millimeters. And a thickness of 2.98 millimeters. A typical silver round's diameter is 39 millimeters and 3 millimeters thick. Counterfeiters often mess up dimensions even if the weight's close. Calipers make this easy. But I don't stop there. The pocket pinger. This little tool sends a sound wave through the metal. Real silver gives a clear, ringing ping. Fakes, I have heard, sound dull. Listen to this. You see the difference? It's quick and reliable. Don't always believe what you hear when a blanket statement is thrown around, such as, the ping from fakes sound dull. Not true. They can be either dull or ridiculously long and high. For valuable pieces, I might do a specific gravity test. Silver's density is 10.49. It's a bit advanced, involving water and math, but for most stacking, the pinger, the scale, the calipers are enough. If interested in the specific gravity test, let me know in the comments below. I'll create a quick video clip for doing so. Years ago, I skipped testing on a coin I bought online. It turned out it was a fake. Lost me a chunk of cash. Now, I test everything. It's worth it for the peace of mind. Next is documenting with photos. This isn't just busy work. It's a lifesaver. Photos prove ownership for insurance and help you track your growing stack. Take high-quality shots of both sides, obverse and reverse, as well as any packaging or boxing certificates, especially for bars with serial numbers. Good lighting's key. Natural light or a light box works great. Digitally, I organize the photos in albums online by syncing my local machine repository up to the cloud. Old school, they print them for a physical album, and then some use software for a catalog effect. Be sure to add the purchase date, cost, and spot price for the purchase to each file or line item. It's a game changer for tracking. A buddy lost his collection in a fire, but had photos. Insurance paid out because of that. Don't skip this step. It's your safety net. Now, protecting your silver. This keeps it pristine and valuable. Silver tarnishes easily, so I use direct fit capsules for coins like these for rounds and silver eagles. They're snug and airtight. For bars or multiple rounds, I use tubes or sleeves. They're stackable and keep dust out. For bigger collections, lockable boxes are awesome. Storage-wise, I use a fireproof safe at home. Check the fire rating and lock quality. Bank safety deposit boxes work as well, but you lose quick access. Professional vault's an option for big stacks, though pricier. Keep it dry. Humidity's the enemy. Silica gel packs in your safe or box will help. Avoid chemicals or polluted air too. They speed up tarnish. Turbo tip: split your stash. Have a go bag and diversify your spots. Don't forget diversions. Time to add it to your inventory. This keeps your collection organized and tracks your investment. I like wallstreetstackers.com. It's a pretty cool inventorying site, and it does have a cost of $40 a year after your first 2 weeks, so give it a trial. It keeps logs everything. Type, weight, value. You can add your own premium even to it, and it updates market prices. Super user-friendly. Or use a spreadsheet. Mine's got columns for purchase date, cost, weight, current value, location, dealer, potential value. I've got like 40 columns. Oh, okay, that's an exaggeration. I've got all the way to Z, I think past Z. So 28, 29 columns. Anyway, you can create a spreadsheet, add those that you need, and then just add a location column to know where each piece is located. You can even then print that out and stick it in your safe for family members, just in case. Regardless, consistency is key. Log every new piece right away. It's quick and keeps you on top of your stack. Don't put this off, or you'll find yourself spending a whole weekend trying to find one missing coin. Trust. Been there multiple times. Take it from me. Learn from my mistakes. Once onboarded, maintaining your silver matters. Always use gloves. Bare hands leave marks. Cleaning? Rarely. For bullion, it's fine as is. For collectibles, cleaning can hurt value. Silver tones naturally. Some love it, some don't. If you must clean, use distilled water and a soft cloth, but only if it's dirty, not tarnished. Keep it stable. Low handling, dry storage. That's how it stays gorgeous for years. Ready to grow your stack? Buy from reputable dealers. Check reviews. A&A or PNG membership. Online can be cheaper at times, but not always. My LCS beats online every day, all day. But most don't, so I understand. But there's another benefit of local shops, and that's that you get to inspect, and then you get to know the dealer, and you can ask questions, and who knows, maybe you'll be in on his little short list of extra discounts that he might give to his customers. Be sure to diversify. Coins, bars, fractional silver, even junk silver for melt value. Watch for bulk deals or seasonal sales. Take it slow, research, and enjoy building your hoard. It's a journey. Okay, let's hit some FAQs. First up, how often to test? Well, Only when you first get it. After that, you're good, unless there's something fishy. Second, should you use a bank safe deposit box? Well, they are secure, but there are fees and no instant or after hours access. So there's that. Third, what about selling silver? Well, you sell back to dealers peer-to-peer, auctions, or online. Get multiple quotes for the best price. Myself, I only sell back to my LCS, Johnny, at Quick Draw Rare Coins. More questions? Comment below and I will be sure to answer. All right, that's a wrap. You've got the full playbook for onboarding silver. From testing, photos, protection, inventory, maintenance, and even growth. Follow these steps and you'll stack like a pro. Key points: test every piece, document it, protect it, track it, and care for it long term. Try these tips with your next silver haul. If you like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe and join the stacking crew, please. Comment your favorite piece. I'm reading every comment. Quick note, I'm not an advisor, just sharing what works for me. Do your own research before investing. Every stacker has a story. What's yours? As you were, stack with purpose, turbo out.